Newton codes. The Newton codes formulas are the most common numerical integration schemes. They are based on the strategy of replacing a complicated function or tabulated data with an approximating function that is easy to integrate. Examples of Newton codes. A first-order polynomial or a straight line is used as an approximation. A parabola is employed for the same purpose. The integral can also be approximated using a series of polynomials applied piecewise to the function or data over segments of constant length. Three straight line segments are used to approximate the integral. Closed and open forms of Newton codes. Closed forms are those where the data points at the beginning and end of the limits of the integration are known. The open forms have integration limits that extend beyond the range of the data. The types of Newton codes closed formula are trapezoidal rule, Simpson's one-third rule, and Simpson's 3/8 rule.